Here are the names of accessories I need. Bibs. These are my booties. These are mittens. I must need pacifier. Teethers. Rattles. Swaddle baby. Hairbrush. Scrunchies. Bottle brush. Blanket. This is my feeder. Baby crib. Diapers. Baby cradle. Nail clippers. Socks. Strollers. Baby hammock. Baby play mat. Baby swing. Bathtub. Hoodie. Medicine dropper. Rompers. Sundress. Puzzle. Toy chest. Doll's house. Baby mobile. Unicorn. Doll. Bassinet. Teddy bear. Walker. Onesie. Playpen. Blocks. High chair. Duckies. Dino. Thermometer. Toy train. Baby shampoo. Beanie. Cotton swab. Wipes. Pants. Diaper pins. Baby lotion. Ointment. Baby powder. Overall. Car seat. Changing table. Water gun. Nasal aspirator. Mosquito net. Cotton nappies. Diaper rash cream. Sleep suit. Please subscribe to my channel.